Hello student, my name is Kalpana Desai from Nityanand Marg MPA School. Today we will study Maths Chapter 5 Expansion Formulae. So let us recall our expansion formulae from standard 7. So in standard 7, you had seen some expansion formulae that there are 3 expansion formula. So first expansion formula is A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now from this formula, we will see one example. Suppose I will take x plus 3 the whole square is equal to. So where I have to take which number and which letter. So instead of A, I will write down x, and instead of B, I have to take 3. So x square plus 2 into A. So instead of A, I will write down 3 into B. I have to write down x and 3 plus b square. B square means I have to take 3. 3 the whole square is equal to x square plus. Now this one is a second term. Number will be multiplied with number. So 2 3s are 6 and x plus here 3 square. 3 square means we have to take 3 into 3, that is 9. So my answer is 9. So this example is from first formula. Then second formula is A minus B the whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square is equal to. Again, we'll take one example, that is m minus 2. Okay, m minus 2 the whole square. Instead of A, I have to write down m, and instead of B, I have to write down 2. So m square minus 2 into m into again 2, because value of B is here 2, plus B square means 2 square is equal to m square minus, number will be multiplied with number, that is 2 2s are 4m plus again here 2 into 2, that is 4. So this is our second formula. Now we'll see about our third formula, that is A minus B and A plus B. So our answer will be A square minus B square. So let us see one example which is based on this formula, that is n minus 2 and n plus 2. Here we have to see that first term of both the bracket and second term of both the bracket should be same. One bracket has a negative sign and second bracket has a positive sign, or vice versa. So my answer will be n square minus 2 square, that is n square minus 2 square means 4. So let us see. Now we have seen these 3 formula from our standard. Now we'll start with our chapter 5, that is expansion formula. So chapter 5, expansion formula. Now this expansion formula, how this fourth formula derived. We'll see this how this expansion formula derived first. it is derived by two methods. One method is triangle. We will use the area of square and rectangle. And second, by method of multiplication of binomials. So let us see. This is one rectangle is given. One rectangle is given and will divide in four parts. You will see the first part is square, second part is rectangle, again third part is rectangle, and fourth part is also a rectangle. So except one, all three parts are rectangle. Let's length of this part will be x, length of this second part will be b. Now this is a square, so both the sides will be same. So this is x, so this side will also be x, and side of this part will be a. So here this full length is x plus b, and this full length will be x plus a. Now I will separate this part over here. So this is my first part, that is square. Okay, so this one is also x, and this side will also be x plus. Second part is my rectangle. This one is a second part. Okay, so second part is a rectangle. This side will take as a x, and this side will be a. Plus third part is my again rectangle. In this rectangle, this side will be x and this will be b. And fourth part is my rectangle. So in fourth part also, this side will be b and this side will be a. Now, for this full formula, we will use the area of a square and rectangle. Now, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So, we'll take formula of length into breadth. Now, this is my length and this is my breadth. So, this side is x plus b. So, I will write down x plus b into base is x plus a, okay, is equal to this small, this is first part is a square. Now area of a square is equal to side square. So side square means x into x plus second part is again rectangle. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So I have to take over here a into x plus third part is again rectangle. So here else area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length will be b and x. You can write down x into b, no problem. Plus fourth part is again rectangle, that is length into breadth we have to take. So length into breadth. Now here we'll see algebraic expression. And here we'll see the expansion. How we will expand over here. So for this one is the first term, that is x into whole bracket, this whole bracket. So x into x plus a. Here plus b is given, so I will take plus b into whole bracket, that is x plus a is equal to. Now see here what is given, x into x. So I have to write down x square plus. Now here ax. So we'll write down ax plus bx plus a into b, ab. Again, we'll see over here, first number into x into x. That is number outside the bracket, we will multiply it with the number which are present in the bracket. So x into x, x squared. Then x into a, that is, now see, you have to see sign over here, that is plus sign is given. So I will write down plus. So x into a, ax. Now Similarly, we have to D for second part also. That is plus sign is given. So I will write down plus B into X, that is BX. And again, this part will be multiplied with last term also. That is B into X, that is B. Okay. Now you can write down as a AB alphabetically. Always we try to write down alphabetically. So A into B. And here which sign will come? See, outside the bracket there is a plus sign. Here also plus sign. So plus 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 is equal to, now see here. This one is a first term, second term, third term and fourth term. Second term and third term has a common. Some letter is common, that is X, and X will be common. So whenever there is a common, then we'll write down outside the bracket. So X square plus X will be common. So that we have to write down outside the bracket. So I will write down outside the bracket. Now what will left? Here A will left plus here B will left. So I will write down in the bracket plus A, B. That is A into B. Now again see here. Here also second and third term is same. So X square plus what is common? X is common in both the term. So that will write down outside the bracket. So A plus B plus third term is, last term is AB is equal to X square plus A into bracket A plus B X plus AB. So see, you have seen these both are same. So I will use a single square, a single rectangle, or I will bifurcate that figure. My answer will be the same. So this one is also our fourth formula. This same formula will derived by multiplication of binomial number. So see, by expansion of, will expand by expansion of, we will expand by binomial, that is X plus A and X plus B, binomial multiplication. Now why we say it is a binomial? Because in a bracket there are two terms, that is, this one is a first term and this one is a second term. So it is, this whole is known as a binomial. Now we'll see binomial, that is X plus A into X plus B is equal to, again multiplication we have to do, that is X into first full bracket and plus A into whole bracket. So X into X plus B and plus A, that will write down outside the bracket, into whole bracket, that is X plus B, bracket complete, is equal to. Now number or letter, whatever given outside the bracket, that we have to multiply with the number and letter which are present in the bracket. So X into X, X square. Again number here will multiplied with B. So here plus sign is given, so I will write down plus X into B, that is BX. Why will write down B first? Because alphabetically we will come first, so we'll write down B first. Now this portion we have completed, multiplication of this part is completed. Now we'll see for the second part. Now plus sign is given and this is also, here no sign is there, so we'll consider positive sign only. So plus will come over here, A into B, A into X, that is AX. Again we have to see about sign. So plus will come, and here A into B, that is A into B means A. Now Here you will see that second part and third part. Second part and third part. Second term and third term. In both, again, you will see that there is a letter X and that is a common. So again, we'll write down that is outside the bracket. So x square plus bracket, we'll write down the bracket. X will be common, that will come outside the bracket. And in the bracket, what will left? B and A will left. That will write down inside the bracket. That is A plus B. Okay, and X will be common plus A into B. So we have seen here both formula will be the same, but first part is for multiply. We are using area of a square and rectangle, and in second part we use binomial multiplication. So let us see. Let us solve. Let us we will solve some sums based on this expansion formula. So we'll write down this formula. So our formula is, I will write down formula. That is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus into bracket a plus b into x plus a into b. Let us write, let us we solve some sums based on this formula. Okay, first sum, that is m plus 3 and m plus 2. Now, first, always remember when we solve algebraic expression or expand, we are using this formula and we will solve the sum. Always, after copying the sum, always write down formula so that it can be easy for us to solve the sum. So I will write down formula. My formula is, the given formula is x plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now we'll compare our given example. Okay. Now write down our example, that is m plus 3 and m plus 2 is equal to, now we'll compare. Okay. So instead of a, I have to take m. Instead of a, we'll take 3. This x will be m and this b will be 2. One more thing you have to remember, that both the term has first, in both the bracket, first term should be same, that is m and m. If both the term will be same, then only we can apply this formula. Otherwise, we have to multiply. Okay, we have to multiply by binomial. So m square, wherever x, will write down m. Instead of a, I will take 3. Instead of b, I will take 2. Plus into bracket. Now in bracket a, whatever a is here 3, plus b is here, b will be 2. Bracket complete. Into x is given, so instead of x, I will take m. Okay, plus a into b is given, so b means we have to take 3, sorry, a we have to take as a 3 and b we have to take as a 2. So 3 into 2, so is equal to m square plus, in the bracket 2 plus 3 is given, so we have to add this number. 2 plus 3 means 5m plus, here we have to multiply, that is 3 into 2, that is 6. Okay, So our final answer will be m square plus 5m plus 6. Now one more example we'll see. Suppose one bracket has a positive sign and second bracket has a negative sign, or vice versa. First bracket has a negative sign and second bracket has a positive sign. Then also we have to solve this sum same way, same formula we will apply and see. So let us say take second example. K minus 2 and k plus 4. Okay, this is our second example. Again, first step, we have to write down formula. That is x plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus plus in bracket a plus b into x plus a into b. Now, second step, we'll write down our example. So we'll write down our example, that is k minus 2 in first bracket, and in second bracket k plus 4 is equal to. Okay, now we have to compare our given example with our formula. So we'll compare our example. See, here I will compare k as a x, 2 as a, again k as a x, and b as a 4. So k square plus in bracket, see here, minus 2 is given. Minus 2 is given, so I will write down minus 2. Then plus 4 is given, b is a plus 4. So plus 4 in the bracket, bracket will complete, and x is over here. So instead of x, what I have to take? K. So I will write down k plus a and b is given. So instead of a and b, what I will take? Minus 2 into b means 4. Now here minus sign is given and here plus is also there. So we'll write down this number in a bracket. Okay, so is equal to k square plus, we'll solve this. Okay, now we know that plus minus, minus plus, if both the number have a positive sign, both the number has a negative sign, what we have to do? So here one number has a negative sign and second number has a positive sign. So what we have to do? We have to subtract. From greater number, we have to subtract smaller one. So from 4, we'll subtract 2. So my answer will be 2. Okay, and sign of greater number I have to write down. Here 4 is greater and sign of 4 is plus. So I will write down plus. First I will write down in a bracket, and in a next step will change. Okay, so I will write down in a bracket and this k as it is plus. Now here also minus sign is given. So I will multiply first. I will write down the sign, and in third step we'll remove the bracket. So in bracket 2 4s are 8 and minus sign, here 2 has a minus and 4 has a positive. So minus plus minus 8 will come. Now in third step, k square, okay, plus 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 will come. 2 into 2, 2k. Now here see, plus minus minus. So my answer is k square plus 2k plus minus 8. So this is my answer. Now one more example will see. Student will solve more sums afterward. First let me solve some sums and then I will discuss with you. Okay, third sum I will take. Now, suppose they have numerals as well as letters. So, how we will solve numbers, uh, examples, whichever numerals and letters also. So, let us see some example based on numerals and letters. Suppose 2s plus 2 is given and 2s minus 4. This one is our example. Okay? So, first, always remember, write down formula. So, our formula is x plus a in first bracket, in second bracket, x plus b, bracket complete, is equal to x square plus a plus b out into x plus a into b. Now we take x as a s as a 2s. Okay. Okay. First we'll copy the question. We'll write down the question. Our question is 2s plus 2 in first bracket, 2s minus 4 in second bracket. Now see, both have same term. First term of both the bracket are same. Yes, both are same. So we'll take so we can use this formula is equal to. Now we will compare. This one is S is given. Okay, that is not 25. It is 2S. So our X as a 2S, A as a 2, then again this one is a 2S, B as a 4, B as a minus 4 because sign is given here. So 2S square plus in the bracket we'll take 2 minus 4. B is minus 4. So I have to take minus 4. Bracket complete into x. X means I have to take 2s. Plus A, I have to take 2 into B. B means I have to take minus 4 and this will write down in a bracket. Is equal to. Now see, here numeral as well as letter is also given. So what we have to do? We have to square for two all. We have to take, we have to consider the square for numerals also and for letter also. So 2 square, that is 2 2s are 4. And we have to use for letter also. So s square, we'll write down s square plus. Now, here, see, again, one is a plus and second one is a minus. So, plus minus minus. From greater number, we'll subtract smaller one. So, 4 minus 2, my answer will be 2. But here, greater number has a negative sign. So, I will write down negative sign and I will write in a bracket. And 2s is given. So, again, 2s as it is plus again see here I have to multiply 2 with 4. So 2 4s are 8 and one is positive, another is negative. So plus minus minus. Now we will write down this number in a bracket. So is equal to, my final answer will be 4s square. Now see here, plus minus minus. Now here see, you will see that outside the bracket, one number is given. So we have to multiply this number, that number outside the bracket and number which is in the bracket, both we have to multiply. So 2 2s are 4 and s is there. So I will write down s. Plus minus minus 8. So we'll write 8. So this one is my final answer. That is 4s square minus 4s minus 8. Okay. Now, one more example we'll do, that is fraction. That is fraction. Sums based on fraction we'll see. So, chapter 5. Okay. Center A. Okay. Now, one more example we see, that is of fraction. Okay. Fraction. That is our fourth example. Suppose x, suppose m plus 3 upon 4 is given, and m plus 5, 5 upon 5 upon 4 is given. This is your example. Now, here fraction is given. So, how we will solve? Same method. We have to use same formula and same method. So, first write down our formula. Formula we know. Is equal to x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus in bracket a plus b into x plus a into b. So we'll write our formula, that is x plus a, x plus b is equal to, so x square plus in bracket a plus b bracket complete into x plus a into b. So now we'll copy our question. We'll write our question. So m plus 3 upon 4 in first bracket, in second bracket, m plus 5 upon 4 is equal to. Now we'll compare with our formula. We'll compare our example with formula. Okay. So we'll compare. We'll write down what we'll take. Instead of x, I have to take m. So m square plus a, my instead of a, I have in a bracket 3 upon 4 plus b is 5 upon 4 bracket complete, and instead of a x, what I have to write down, m plus. Now AB is given. So A is 3 upon 4 into B is 5 upon 4. 5 upon 4. That will write down in bracket. So is equal to. Now M square plus. Now here fraction is there. Okay. So see 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4. In fraction, you know, first we have to check denominators. If denominators are same, then only once we have to write down denominators. Only once we have to write down denominators, and numerators we have to copy as it is. That is 3 plus 5. Okay. So my answer will be 3 plus 5. That is 7 upon 4. So same method will apply over here also. In bracket, my denominator will be same. So only one.
Miss 8 आएगा 7 to 8 आएगा.
So yes, very good student. Very good. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay. So my denominator will be same. I have same denominator. So I will write down only once. Now about 3 plus 5. So we'll write down 3 plus 5, bracket complete, into m plus. Now in multiplication, what will happen? Numerator will be multiplied with numerator and denominator will be multiplied with denominator. So 3 into 5 upon 4 into 4. So 4 into 4. Denominator will be multiplied with denominator and numerator will be multiplied with numerator is equal to m square plus. Now 3 plus 5, my answer is 8 upon 4 into m plus. Now 3 5s are 15 upon 4 4s are 16. But see, in here in a middle
16.
term, that is a cancellation. That is 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8.
8.
So final answer is m square plus 2m plus 15 upon 16. Okay, this one is my
Yeah.
final answer. Correct? So, can we solve one more example which is based on fraction? Then student will solve sums together. Okay, one more example I will take. Okay, see. So one more example of fraction only, that is negative one will take. So fifth example. So we'll take p plus 1 upon 3 and p minus 1 upon 4.
1 upon
Bracket complete. P plus 1 upon 3 in first bracket and in second bracket p minus 1 upon 4. Now,
4.
same method will apply. Here, one bracket has a positive sign and second bracket has a negative sign. Again, we'll write down formula. So, x plus a in first bracket, x plus b in second bracket is equal to x square plus in bracket a plus b bracket complete into x plus a into b. Now we'll compare, that is x is equal to p. First again we have to copy question, that is p plus 1 upon 3 in first bracket and in second bracket p minus 1 upon 4. Now our comparison. Okay, so both bracket as a first term as a p. So p is equal to, you can write down here also, that p is that we have to take x, we have to take x as a p, then a is equal to 1 upon 3 and b is equal to minus 1 upon 4. You can write down here also like this way, and then we'll substitute in a formula. Then we will substitute this value in a formula. So x means we have to take p square plus in bracket a means 1 upon 3, b means here c minus 1 upon 4 is given. So we'll write down minus 1 upon 4, our bracket will complete, and x means p plus a into b. So a is over here 1 upon 3 into b means minus 1 upon 4. That will write down in a bracket is equals. Now, here first p square as it is, okay, plus, now see here both have a different denominator. If both have a denominator, then what we'll do, we'll cross multiply and we equalize the denominator. We equalize the denominator means how we will equalize, see 1 upon 3 and minus 1 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. So we equalize the denominator, means we cross multiply, or what we say that first fraction will be multiplied with denominator of the second fraction, and second fraction will be multiplied with denominator of the first fraction. That is 1 into 4 upon 3 into 4 minus again 1 into 3 upon 4 into 3. So is equal to 4 ones are 4 upon 3 fours are 12 minus 3 3 upon 3 fours are 12. Okay, so I have equalized the denominator. So this I will write down over here. So here it is 4 upon 12 minus 3 upon 12 bracket complete into P plus. Now here again numerator will be multiplied. Numerator will be multiplied with numerator and denominator will be multiplied with denominator. So 1 into 1 upon. See here minus sign is given. So we'll write down minus. And 3 into 4 in a bracket. So is equal to P square plus. We already equalized the denominator. So denominator are same. So we'll write down only once. And 4 minus 3. Numerator will write down with a sign into P plus C. 1 into minus 1. My answer will be minus 1. And 3 will be multiplied with 4. So 3 4s are 12. Will complete our bracket. So P square plus 4 minus 3, my answer will be 1 upon 12 in a bracket. This P will be as it is, plus minus minus 1 upon 12. So final answer P square plus. Now 1 and this P we have to multiply. So P ones are P upon 12 minus 1 upon 12. So this way we have solved 5 examples which are based on our expansion formula. So student, you have to help me how to solve example. One example I will give. Okay. So let us solve one example which is based on this formula. So first we'll write down formula. That is A, that is x plus A, x plus B, x plus A into x plus B is equal to x square plus in bracket A plus B into x plus A B. Now example. Okay, my example. Okay. Okay. Q plus 3 and Q plus 5. Now student, who will help me to solve this sum? Who will help me to solve this sum? Okay.
Yes, सबसे पहले formula लिखना.
Yes, very good. Can you recall this formula?
Yes.
Sure, very good. Okay.
X plus
Say the,
A bracket x plus A bracket close x plus B is equal
very
to
good.
x2
X square.
x2
Student, it is a x square.
plus
x plus
plus A plus B x
Very good.
is equals to
Very good. A into B. Correct? Okay. Now second step. Now what we'll do in a second step?
Question.
Yes, very good. So we'll
Copy
write
the
down
question.
question. That is Q plus 3 in first bracket and Q plus 5 in second bracket is equal to. Okay. Then
Yes.
what we'll do?
X2.
X is equal to what we have to take? First we have to compare, na beta? So we have to compare. So X is equal to
Q square.
Q. Then A is equal to
3.
3 and
3.
B equal to
and
5.
B is equal to 5.
5.
Yes, very good. Now we'll substitute. Okay. So
Q
instead of
square.
X, we'll
Q
take
square.
very good Q square. Then plus in a bracket instead of A, what I will write down?
3
Beta.
plus 5.
Very good. 3 plus 5.
5.
Bracket close. Into
Q.
into Q is given, no? Plus A. What is the value of A? 3. And what is the value of B? 5 is given.
5.
So 5. Yes. So what is our final answer? Q square plus in bracket. It is necessary to write
8Q.
down in a it is necessary to write down in a bracket. No, we'll write down directly because no negative sign is given. No negative sign is.
Hello.
So
Hello.
so here we'll add this number 3 plus 5, that is 8Q. Okay, plus 3 5s are 15. So this is our final answer. Okay, student. So I will give some sums based on this formula. So that is for your homework and you have to try. So write down this. This is for your homework. First, that is y plus 4 and y minus 2. This is for homework. Second, we'll take in a bracket n minus 3 and n plus 1. And third, we'll take 2m plus 1 and 2m plus 3. So these three sums here are your homework. So student, I think all of you like my lecture and
Yes.
thank you.
Yes, miss.
Student,
Miss.
today's lecture and one more reminder that wash your hand with soap and water regularly. Avoid going outside unless it's urgent. Always wear mask when you go outside. Stay home and stay safe. So, goodbye, student. We'll meet you.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Miss.
I
Okay.
miss.